Welcome to Wise Beyond Bitcoin, where you come for the crypto neo news, education, and opportunities. My name is Lucas, and I have an opportunity on one of our favorite blockchains. Of course, your secret update hub, Secret Network, the premium privacy layer one blockchain solution. Many decentralized applications being built that we cover all the time. And we've got many playlists to walk you through secret NFTs, a lot happening there because of the private metadata and the features that you can achieve, the utility, what you can create on Secret Network, you just can't mimic on public blockchains. So we go into the detail of that. We show you how to start your crypto journey. If you're brand new to DeFi, to Web 3.0, or to the IBC in Secret, we show you how to get your Kepler wallet, because there are really many great blockchains, not just ones focused on privacy like Secret Network, but you have Juno, you have Osmosis, you have DVPN, Akash. There are a lot of Luna, Terra, the largest decentralized stablecoin. So it's just many, many great projects being built. Now let's get back to Secret Network and these playlists. We've got airdrops, crypto opportunities, DeFi, crypto explainers, and tutorials, which is what we'll add to today. Another tutorial and opportunity, because as you know, many airdrops, whether they be governance tokens, are given to those who participate. And there's no guarantee that participating in this manner will earn a reward, but there's a good chance. And it's doing things like this that add value to the community. That's number one. Find ways to add value to the community. And that's the best way to add value to what you participate in. But it does increase your chances of an airdrop or a gift for saying, thank you for adding value to the community. We want to thank you by giving you a token of appreciation. And sometimes it can literally be tokens to your wallet. So we've talked about Jackal DAO. We've talked about applications on Secret Network. That's what this is a follow-up on. They've got a nice, fresh website. It's been a while since we've caught up. And let's go into detail about where you can do your own research, because this is not medical advice. It's not legal advice, marital advice, commercial advice, financial advice. It's just technical. It's just research. It's just educational information. Some of it technical, some of it not. Either way, it's just sharing a perspective, making our mistakes and learning our way through it and sharing, because this is a new emerging technology and it's exciting. These applications that we're talking about have never been built before. These are brand new with the technology that exists right now. So this is definitely education and risk. And these are the pioneers that are creating and co-creating applications that people over the world can use in the future. So if you would like to test it out and learn about it, what is Jackal DAO? So Jackal DAO is a data storage, decentralized data storage like you have with Filecoin. However, this is taking that Secret Network privacy layer solution. So now you have decentralized data storage, that robustness, that security, coupled with the privacy feature of the Secret Network. So unparalleled advantage. Now you may be able to achieve scalable privacy data storage solutions. However, to have that decentralized nature, usually you'll find these things are done on layer 2 solutions on public ledgers. Now you're able to achieve this security, this robustness, and this privacy on a layer 1 chain. Resilient infrastructure for Web 3.0. Jackal is a decentralized autonomous organization in the Cosmos ecosystem that governs Web3 privacy infrastructure and cybersecurity solutions. You know, I should have had this up, but I talk about IBC all the time. And the reason is we really love to talk about whatever out there is in blockchain and crypto that is innovative and pioneering and the cutting edge. And for those reasons, we have been sharing the developments from the beginning in many ways. Osmosis is our go-to LP video from many, many months ago. And if you would have used that and experimented, you would have benefited greatly on many airdrops in the ecosystem post Osmosis and including. So you're not late, you're right on time. There are more airdrops, more growth to come. And this is that IBC ecosystem. So Jackal DAO, Juno, the smart contract platform, Stargaze, IBC, cross-chain NFT marketplace, Luna, Terra, all of these chains will be able to tap in to Jackal DAO's privacy data storage should they need to, depending upon those applications. Very cool. Very cool. That's that interoperable feature of the IBC. Speed, utility, privacy. Jackal empowers individuals, enterprises, and developers to increase their digital privacy and cybersecurity postures without sacrificing ease of use. Combining state-of-the-art blockchain technology with fully decentralized finance and governance, Jackal offers world-class solutions to protect the planet's most important data. Secret Network. Jackal leverages Secret Network to protect users, secure enterprises, and build applications that are both permissionless and privacy preserving. Own your data. All data on Jackal infrastructure is controlled by the end user with their private key. Jackal nor any third parties can access your data unless given permission by the private key holder. Your files are encrypted before leaving your computer. Governance. Jackal infrastructure and security solutions are open source and propelled forward by Jackal token holders. The Jackal governors drive the direction of Jackal development and hold the development teams accountable. Decentralized. With Jackal's incentivized peer-to-peer network of decentralized nodes, we are building a fully decentralized privacy stack, increasing Web3's resiliency with a higher digital privacy and cybersecurity posture. Very cool. Very cool. Meet the Jackal token. Very cool. I like that artwork. It's pretty neat. Jackal's utility token is used to govern, incentivize miners and builders and access solutions in the Jackal ecosystem. Jackal tokens can be acquired in a number of ways, including primary issuance, secondary markets, DAO incentives, governance participation, and meta economic rewards coming soon. Check out this roadmap. Testnet alpha launch, UI improvements, token launch. We're going to go into that today, how you can participate in this Testnet alpha launch. And there is an MVP hackathon, integration, developer support blitz, governance, Jackal apps, and the Jackal Nomads program. So applications built before the end of the year, Nomads, a referral program. I'm excited to participate in as much as I can and to share the love so that you can participate and drop in the comments what you learn and what you know so that we can get people with strong backgrounds in different markets that can practice and find out what could be used to improve it, make it more valuable. And let's talk about the alpha. But before we go to this alpha, all the links will be below. There is a faucet, faucet.secrettestnet.io. And this is going to give you that Pulsar 2, that testnet token required to access this Jackal DAO alpha feature. You're going to have to prove that you're not a robot. Did I already paste? Yeah, okay, there's addresses here. Okay, we'll do that. Double check. Make sure that you're on Secret Network. Boom. Click. Paste. There you go. I'm not a robot. Send me tokens. Successfully sent. There we go. Now you're going to come over to Jackal DAO Alpha. You're going to click on Alpha, and it's going to take you. You may have to make sure that your Kepler wallet is connected and loaded. And it's going to take you to this neat little interface. Oh, look, I've already practiced a couple things, as you can see. Well, let's do one together. Select a file. Let's pick that. Boom. This is a Ample agent with a Wise Beyond Bitcoin logo. Bunch of vids. Okay, let's not do something too large. Little JPEG. Let's check it out. Let's upload the queue. We've got our test secret. We already have test secret, so maybe it did not hit, but it's okay. Plenty of test secret to use. Use it on up. Give it a go. Approve the transactions. What's going on here? Going to do it again. Create contents path. Okay, here we go. Approve. And it's thinking, it's processing, and it worked. There you go. Now, imagine what files you could have. These are JPEGs, little PNGs of neat secret NFTs and things that are going on, Ample Agent, some neat stuff there just to test it out. If you're testing this, obviously don't use anything you don't have a backup of, you can't afford to lose. This is just an, an experimental test phase. So, but you can interact with it and imagine the applications. This is not being stored on a centralized server. The only one who has access to it is the one with the private keys to that wallet. So this offers solutions to keeping sensitive data more secure than ever before. So we're living in some really beautiful times as this technology continues to develop at just an amazing pace. More things are happening than we can research. So we always appreciate the comments and letting us know what else is going on in the blockchain market that is innovating, creative destruction, displacing, replacing, more efficient ways of doing things. And it's exciting to share and see what's happening. This is what's happening with Jackal DAO. You can experiment right now and take a file. You can upload it, select it, then you can upload the queue and boom. And you can probably, if you'd like to, you could even delete them from this so that you're like, you know what? I don't want this information stored in here anymore. It might, or you can download whatever you have stored in here. So it's uploaded on the web, and somewhere else, if you want to, you can take that picture and you can download it, or you can delete it and say, you know what, take it off. I don't want anyone to see that logo. Let's just remove it. Approve it to remove it. That's what you have to do. And that's all right, because you're signing these contracts. That's how smart contracts work. Your key's your wallet. You sign every transaction. So be careful, make sure you're on the right site, make sure that what you're signing, you're okay with, and then you can approve it to remove it. We'll see if that works right now in a second at normal speed. There you go. And it's gone. So very cool. There's an example right there of the alpha test on jackaldao.com. Now let's see if I can remove alpha and hit enter. And if that takes us back to the really cool, beautiful new website, there you go. And there's the alpha right there. Follow them, jump in on Discord, follow on Twitter, because by the time this video comes out, they probably have 1 or 2 new features. They're constantly tweaking and improving. This is early testnet phase, and mainnet's coming out here pretty soon. So check it out. Enjoy it. Until the next time, have a beautiful day, and namaste, y'all.